PivotWorks is the original, fast, easy, and complete solution when it comes to rebuilding your dirt bike or ATV's chassis and suspension. Today we're going to be showing you what's included in the PivotWorks linkage bearing rebuild kits. PivotWorks linkage bearing rebuild kits restore the rear suspension action and handling back to new. These kits include all the full complement bearings, pins, collars, and seals to completely rebuild the components in your linkage system. Full complement bearings don't have bearing races so that more needle bearings can be used to handle and distribute the suspension forces across more surface area. Center ground and case hardened pins are used to ensure perfect action and provide superior durability. Each seal provides an exact OE fit to ensure dirt and mud are kept out of your bearings. These kits even include the lower shock mount bearings, seals, and pins to complete your rebuild. Manufactured to OEM specifications, this kit will fit perfectly and get your linkage working like new. PivotWorks created the solution to researching dozens of part numbers and paying a fortune for OEM parts by including all the necessary items in one package. Also included is a convenient tube of PivotWorks waterproof high-load bearing grease to be used on any bearing or inner seal lip surface, keeping them sealed up and giving them a longer lasting lifespan. If you can't seem to ride in a straight line or your suspension clanks as it goes up and down, it might be time to rebuild your motorcycle or ATV's linkage system. PivotWorks linkage bearing rebuild kit is the way to go. The linkage system on your dirt bike or ATV is designed to provide a progressive rate of shock spring compression while the swing arm rotates through its travel when you hit bumps or land off jumps. Most linkage systems are comprised of pull rods and a linkage arm that are connected to the swing arm and rear shock by a system of bearings, pins, seals, and bolts. When these parts are new, they have very little grease on them from the factory. Plus, because of their location, they're constantly getting pounded by dirt and mud. And the fact that they rotate every time the suspension moves, these parts wear out fast. When these parts start to show signs of wear and tear, it's hard to notice any difference unless you're inspecting them regularly. Generally, about the time you start to notice they're worn, they are completely shot. That's where PivotWorks comes in. Get a complete linkage bearing rebuild kit today and have your suspension handling like new again for a fraction of the cost of OE parts. Plus, with their lifetime replacement program on all their products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right, if you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at pivotworks.com and fill out that contact us form. For the original, fast and easy, complete solution, it's gotta be PivotWorks.